everyone, welcome to my channel Virtual. Today we are going to discuss about virtual data room. VDR in manufacturing, how manufacturers use VDR for secure document sharing and collaboration. Virtual data room have gained popularity in various industries including manufacturing as a secure and efficient way to manage and share sensitive documents and collaborate with stakeholders. Here's how to manufacturers use VDRs for secure document sharing and collaboration. Number one, protecting intellectual property. Manufacturers deal with valuable intellectual property such as product design, patents, and properties process. VDR provide a secure environment to store and share this document with authorized parties, reducing the risk of databases or leaks. Number two, due diligence for mergers and acquisition. In the manufacturing sector, mergers and acquisition are common. VDRs are critical for sharing financial statement, contacts, and other conditional information with potential buyer or parents during due diligence process. Manufacturers can control who has access to these sensitive documents and monitor their activities. Number three, supplier and vendor collaboration. Manufacturers often work with numerous suppliers and vendors. VDRs enable them to collaborate on contract pricing, agreements, and quality ensure documents securely. This ensures that only authorized parties have access to these critical documents. Number four, stemming regulatory compliance. Manufacturing is subject to numerous regulations and compliance is essential. VDRs help manufacturers organize and share compliance-related documents such as safety records, quality certifications, and environmental reports with auditors, regulatory authorities, and internal terms. Number 5. Remote work and global collaboration. In the modern manufacturing landscape, remote work and global collaboration are common. VDR facilities